Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, in this video we have this inverter welding machine MMA250, and the problem with this machine is once we connect to the supply, the OC coming. I just connected, and you will see once it's on, this OC is directly coming. The first thing we check in this welding machine, once this kind of fault coming, we check the fan, and then we start from here. We check the diode section. If it is short circuited or faulty, any fault, it shows us with the digital multimeter. And then now I open this machine, and you will see I checked this MOSFET section. These all are okay, and the main problem with this machine is this kind of transformer is faulty, frequency transformer. Different welding machines has different kind of transformers according to its turn, and I show you how we can check this is faulty. We need to just remove this connector, and you will see the OC will gone. Now I remove this connector, and you can just see I connected to the supply again, and the OC is gone. Okay, and which transformer is the faulty one? You can just remove one by one red and black wire for each transformer, and again you can connect, and you will find out which this transformer, frequency transformer, is faulty, and you can replace that, and your fault will be gone. Okay, next video I open this card. I will show you how we can replace the IGBTs for inverter welding machines, and which kind of precautions or instruction we have to follow while we change that IGBTs, and how we can check, and to see my next video, inshallah. Thank you.